Guys, so I just installed the Minka Air Supra. Sorry I can't put this camera in the camera stand because this fan's on an extremely long down rod and I'm being I'll have to be really careful. So here's the light. Here's off. Low speed. So here's how I have my new test rig set up. Fan that I'm going to test is going to go right here. Fan waiting to be installed is going to go right here. Next fan and fan recently tested is going to go right there. Then when the fan is after tested, this fan, and I get to move back to the collection area. Then the fan waiting to get, then the fan next to get tested is going to be right here, which is this one, which I need all the parts for it. I need which is the Casablanca Panama, and the hang true, is gonna, and I have to put all the parts like the hang true, the Casablanca Panama. That's put all the parts like the hang true, the blades, and here's low speed. It's actually got a really nice low speed to it. I really like it. You can see the fan shaking. Obviously, some. I don't know if some of the blades are warped or not. But thing is, this fan, the blades are always drooping and they keep getting loose. Lights. Plus the motor is vibrating. Here's medium. Do not take. That's one of the screws. This motor's, man, noisy. It hums a lot. It didn't hum when I tested it on the floor, which was good. I don't know if this can work on a wall control or not because it's a remote control fan and it might have electronics in it, because if you use a wall control and remote control fan, it might fry the electronics inside, the built-in electronics instead of. But some remote control fans have just electronics in the receiver, but some have electronics in the motor housing. Like an IntelliTouch fan, like a Casablanca IntelliTouch fan. Like this, the Casablanca IntelliTouch fan might have it. I have it, so you can't use an IntelliTouch with a standard wall control. IntelliTouch fan is a standard wall control, so you can't do it because you might fry the electronics. Instead, you have to use an IntelliTouch control. If you have an IntelliTouch fan, you have to use this. Unless if it's a bad board, you can convert it to single speed. And you can do whatever you want if when you convert it to single speed. Here's medium speed. High. Man, this is getting really noisy. Man, this thing's really powerful. This would be good in a wellness center because it has a long down rod. Let's do an airflow test. This is like Spiffy's method. Do I feel anything from here? I can feel some air from here. Yeah, it's like a spinner motor hunter, but where's the remote to it? Careful, so I won't kill myself. So lights. And off. fell off. There's a missing screw right there. I'm trying to look for the screw. I don't know where it is. Here's the Panama. Sitting there. Fortunately, I can't test the builder's best because, again, I'm missing the blades to it. I lost the blades to it. And I lost all the Casablanca manuals I had in that corner. And reverse it. Now let's reverse it. Gotta be really careful because down rod's off. Low speed reverse. Point. Low speed reverse. Give it a push because it takes a while to get up speed. Here's low reverse. I'm just gonna only show, it draws more current on reverse, so I'm just gonna only show and do more torque in reverse, so I'm gonna have to just show it on low, medium reverse. Low reverse, medium reverse. No, I'm actually going to show high reverse for just for a quick second, a brief second, without the light. Medium reverse, high reverse. Oh no. Oh, I'm not going to show high reverse for too long because it's too much torque. There it goes again. Thanks for watching.